Most of you think you need to pay thousands before you can get a good logo, and don't get me wrong, if you have money you can pay for a professional looking logo that is unique for just you alone. But let's assume you're a small business owner just like I am, and you're trying to start up a business and you don't have the cash yet to afford a logo. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can get your own logo by yourself without paying any particular amount. Successful logos are actually very simple, and I'm going to show you how to get a simple logo in just few different steps. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. I give you business ideas, I help you grow your business, make money online through AI and content creation. So I'm starting up a business in 30 days online with no capital at all, and let's see how much I'll make in 30 days. So if you've missed other days, you need to go back. I've taught how to write a business plan, I've taught how you can get your business name. So this is day 10 of me trying to start up a business afresh. So do well to like this video. Tell me in the comment section if you know how to design a logo already, or you're just learning for the first time. I'll tell you why a business logo is very important. Your logo makes you look professional. It makes people remember you. A clean logo can basically make people trust you faster. So your logo is actually your business identity, and it's the first thing that people notice when they come to you. So before we start designing, let me tell you some common mistakes that people make when creating their logos that we are going to avoid. People tend to use too many colors. They use fonts that people don't find it difficult to read. That's one of the mistakes people make while creating logos. They copy popular brands. People like copying, so most times they copy other popular brands when creating their logos, and they make it too complicated. Well, your logo is supposed to be simple and easy to remember. Your logo doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be simple and represent your business very well.
So let's head over to my app store. I'm going to open my app store and I'm going to search for Canva. So this is for people that don't have Canva already installed in their phone. This is what it looks like. Or you can also go to your Play Store and download Canva. So when you open your Canva, you can just go to where you see template, and I search for consulting logo. You can just go through different logos and see the one you like. So I searched for one for a consulting firm. So I was just looking for something simple that I can recreate for the purpose of this tutorial, but I'm not necessarily going to use this particular one for my brand. So I'm just going to use it for the tutorial's sake. So I went ahead to just choose this simple logo, and I'm just going to edit it. So when I teach about branding, I'm going to teach you little steps you need to know about your brand and branding. So this is it, and we'll just have to edit it. I'm going to change it to my name, my brand name. I'm just going to edit the colors, but you can also leave your own the same, but try to make yours unique. Okay, maybe I also have video on my live stream on how to design from scratch. So there we are going to be designing from scratch. So if you want more professional graphic design tutorial, you can just check out my videos. So for the purpose of this simple tutorial, we are just going to go ahead to edit the name, and I'm also going to edit the color. So I'm trying to reduce the size to what I like. And I'm going to start up a consulting firm. So the name of my business is going to be Peace Branding and Consulting. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to edit it, make it look centered. I'm going to make it look centered. I'm going to go ahead to shift the rectangle. I'm just going to play around with it. So I'm just going to go ahead to change the color. Like I said, this is not my definite brand color. I don't know if I will still use this color or not, but I'm just using it for this tutorial sake. And then again, I'm going to be giving some branding tips, and in my branding tips I'll be choosing a particular color, a particular font. I'm just showing you how you can edit a logo on Canva, and you can also get a logo on AI. When I start my AI tutorial for businesses, I'm still going to teach you how to get from AI. So I just went ahead to edit the color, and I saved the design and I'm downloading it to my phone. So it's as simple as
So
that.
start simple and improve as you grow. And tomorrow I'll teach you how to create a flyer. So see you tomorrow. Share this video to any business owner that you know. And if you learned something new today, tell me thank you in the comment section.